Hello students, today also I with you, and students, today we are going to discuss a class 10 politics, and it is the lesson 4. Name of lesson is the gender, religion and caste. It is the third part of this video, students, and under this video we will discuss some points. These are what is family law in India, and second we will try to understand what is communalism. And last point we will discuss, that is what we mean by communal politics. So first we will try to understand what is family law in India. So students, family law is the special law, a act which has been made in favor of the female. In last video already we have discussed many type of discrimination or such other problems which was present, diversity between male or female. So it special law was very important for in favor of female. So we will try to understand what is the main point, what is the main thing which has been available under this law. So students, actually this law is especially related to the male, female, and in favor of female, so husband and wife. That means regarding to the marriage, succession, divorce, like that such as matter has been included under this law in favor of the female. So students, if such types of exploitation is going to held by the husband in against of their wife or woman, so this law may be effective in against of that person. And related divorce matter, also this law has been present already some special section which may support there should not be divorce in simple or general matter. Like that system has been present under this law in favor of the female. So main thing related to the female, every type of exploitation by the husband, and you can say that place where she has been come after marriage, if they feel any types of problem, social or familiar, to that law may be support to that female, that lady, that woman. So students, second point, we try to understand what is communalism. So students, communalism, especially communalism is a such types of facilities you can say which people are using as a religion, as a casteism, as a society for taking different type of diversities. A other group of community, other group of society, other group of religions try to some differences, try to some distances to other societies, to other castes. This is called as a communalism. In communalism, people like especially to their customs, religious peoples, and they hate to other group of society you can say, or other caste persons like that, so and so. It is the main objective of the communalism. In general, we can say many peoples you can find out in the every societies. Somebody belong to the other caste, some other person belong to the other caste. There may be some distances between both groups, between both castes by the matter of this. This is called as a communalism. So it has been effective very seriously nowadays in many societies, in politics also. So students, other topic we will try to understand what do you mean by communal politics. Communal politics. Politics we understand already communal politics, that means if any person try to take benefit by the ground of the caste, by ground of the religion, it is the called as a communal, and they do some selfish work related to the community, related to the caste, religion, society. It is a communal politics, but it is not so long time beneficial matter. It can give the benefit to the politician only for some little time, for some simple benefit you can say. But this is the not best for developing political system, for developing country regarding matter. But in our country, communal politics is many places you can say spreading. It is continue running. Politicians are using to their systems in the politics. In many campaigns you can find out, in many deciding candidates you can find out, political leader decide which types of caste in which place has been in majority, they try to decide same as candidate to that place. It is the matter of communal politics. So students, communal politics give opportunity to the politician to decide candidate to take benefit by the communal group. But it is not in favor of the develop to the all persons in any place. It is the best only for favor some short terms in that community, that caste, that religion. So students, it was the matter which we have discussed about communal politics. So under this lesson we have discussed 3 points. First was what is the family law in India, second what is the communalism, and third we have discussed already what do you mean by communal politics. So students, some other topic we will discuss related this lesson in the next video students. So thank you very much students to all of you.